First driver ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
That boat's a rocket. Here we go, flying down the straightaway. Unbelievable. Holy. That's insane. Slash 4x4 brushless. They're going to launch this in the water here. All right, here we go. Looks like they're going for it. Oh, faked us out again. Oh. You got to make sure that it's perfect here for him to get out there, or else it's going to sink. Here we go. No, fake this out again. We're waiting. We're waiting. Oh, watch out for the duck. I want to hit the duck. Slash 4x4. Here we go. Hydroplaning slash 4x4. There it is. Oh yeah.